Okay, for me, this is okay. See? So now, our gravy is ready. See? This is perfect. This is enough. Good evening, guys. What is in your mouth? It's a food. Okay, anyway, now it's 7 o'clock and it's time for me to make supper for my
husband.
Okay, so actually my husband just had he had mango lassi in the morning.
Yeah.
And for lunch he doesn't have anything, so now he's quite hungry, so I have to make something really quick since the beef steak is just quick to make and a potato, so I just make those. And Isabella, he's just having her dinner as well. So for me, let's see if I feel hungry later, maybe I'll just have a fruit or we'll have a noodles, just a quick one. So let's see later. Anyway, so let's just make dinner for your dada. Yeah? Yes? So okay. So guys, let's get started. I've boiled in the morning. I have here a potato. So I have, this is boiled. I've cut into this size with the skin. Okay, so because I need to fry this with olive oil, excuse me, and butter, and with salt and black pepper. Along with this, it's gonna have steak. So this is wash and clean. Now I'm going to marinate this with salt and pepper only. And this, on the top of this, I'm gonna make a gravy for the steak. So this beef, this is 150 grams. So on this, I'm gonna put, this is a finely crushed black pepper. You just put it on the top. Put it nicely, and then we can put salt. Normally for the steak we are using rock salt, but right now I'm out of rock salt, so I'm using just a normal salt, but that is fine. Because anyway, I'm making gravy, so the change will change. Okay, so this, we have to sit aside this while we are cooking our potato. In here, we put the olive oil. Just 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Oh, sorry, 1 tablespoon. Oh, I'm out. So let's just finish it off so we can get new one. Okay. So on this, okay, we have to put our butter as well. This much, we have to put butter. Let this melt, get melt. And now we can put our potato. And then let this potato get cooked and golden brown. And then we just season this with salt and black pepper powder. And also I'm gonna put some mixed herbs as well. So now let's just cook this one and brown our potato. See, look at our potato. It's already golden brown. But I need a little more, so I want a crispy on the skin. So now in this time, we can add our salt. So I'm not putting so much salt, just like actually sprinkle only of salt, just little bit. And black pepper. The reason why I'm not putting so much salt, because again, there is a gravy. I'm making a gravy for the steak, and that could be used also for potato. And just 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. This is a powder I'm using. And then I have mixed herbs. This is optional. If it's up to you, but I want something I want something different to my potato. Normally I'm always mixed with herbs. Just like that, I like it. I like the taste. And then again, I just fry. I just have pan fry this. Okay, for me, this is okay. It's nice. So now we have to remove this from the pan. So now we'll do our gravy. So as you can see, this is now the potato. Sorry. See? Very nice color and tastes nice as well. So now we do our gravy. And then again, from the pan, we have to put just little bit of butter. Just to cook our sorry guys, for the sauce, for the gravy, we require a chopped of garlic. I have here 5 garlic, cloves chopped, and 1 small onion. So this first we have to saute, and we'll be needing also 1 cup of water and 1/4 cup of milk and 1 tablespoon of corn flour and Worcester and soy sauce with lime. So first we have to saute this. And after this we put our onion. We cook our onion until it gets translucent or brown. And aside from this guys, we'll be needing a beef stock. Okay, in 1 cup of water, I have boiled it and I put my beef stock, because since I'm doing a beef steak, then we have to mix it here in the saucepan. So I think this is okay. So this is the beef stock, which I have boiled earlier. And then we have to put our 1/4 cup of milk. And I have here soy sauce and lime. Let's mix it all together. On the top of this, we have to put our corn flour. Let's just mix it gradually. Corn flour, 1 teaspoon of corn flour, 1 tablespoon, sorry. So now let's just leave this and keep stirring until the sauce gets thickened. It should become thick. And let's just taste the sauce. If this nice it is. I can taste also the lemon. So I have used just a half cubes of beef stock, just half. So let's just get this boiled. So now our gravy is ready. See, this is perfect. This is enough. So now we'll do our steak. So we'll cook our steak. So now we'll do our steak. And now here, we put again our butter. And then, we'll put our steak. For my steak, I'm gonna cook this like 5 minutes both sides. 5 minutes on the other side and 5 minutes the other side. So 10 minutes total. I don't want medium rare. I want really cooked steak. So that's why I'm making it 5 minutes each side. And by the way guys, from the gravy, from the gravy, you can add on that mushroom. But my husband is not fan of mushroom. So that's why I didn't put mushroom. Now we cook the other side for another 5 minutes. So this is okay now. So this is okay. Then we'll do our plating. So this is our beef steak and potato. Now we'll put our gravy on this. Okay guys, this is the ready food. This is the potato, this is the steak. On the top, this is the gravy. So looking so nice. Very nice food. So I hope my husband will like his dinner. So that's all for today guys. I hope that you like my recipe today for dinner. And for the full recipe, please go on my description box. So until to my next one, bye!